morning. Today is Monday, November 25th, 2019. I am Mrs. Ware, and I am here to present the October Teacher of the Month and October Staff Member of the Month. This month, we are recognizing Mrs. Lauren Tiedemann. She is being recognized by several students. Addie says she really enjoys Mrs. Tiedemann's class. She took photography with her after school and then started taking pictures with her friends. It is awesome that she wanted to take what she learned outside of school. Mrs. Tiedemann is a great teacher. My daughter Sophia loves Mrs. Tiedemann, says parent Sharon Bolus. She thinks she's the best art teacher and loves her class. We enjoy Mrs. Tiedemann's art class and always feel supported and cared for by her, by Kate and Ellie Crampton. Mrs. Tiedemann has taught me a lot in graphics class, Avery Shuey. She is always trying to find ways for her students to learn from the Kennedy family. Congratulations, Mrs. Tiedemann. And next we have the October Staff Member of the Month, and that is Miss Angie McFarland. Angie is such an awesome person to work with. She's so supportive and willing to help others. Her positive attitude and sense of humor makes me want to be at work. I am grateful for her and her friendship. From Miss Chris Engel. Angie is a fun person to work with each day. She cares so much about our students, no matter if they are little or big. The students love her tremendously and have such positive relationships with her. Her hard work has shown in our athletics program and how she supports athletes and coaches. She encourages the athletes to take responsibility for themselves and communicate with their teachers regarding their academics. Angie cares about our school and our students as if they were her own. We are fortunate to have such a fun, loving, and caring person here at GP, from Mr. Schnee. Mrs. McFarland is always helping around school. She makes sure everyone is okay and being a good student. She is very nice, too. She also fixes many problems students have, and that's from McKenna Claridge. Congratulations to our October Staff of the Month.